Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Button Maker machine is probably one of the most versatile and fun tools for anyone looking to create custom badges, pins, or even personalized gifts, offering a unique way to express creativity and individuality. Whether you're a hobbyist, a small business owner, or just someone who loves DIY projects, this machine allows you to bring your designs to life with ease and precision, making it an indispensable addition to your crafting arsenal. Number 5. 58mm 3rd Gen DIY Button Maker Machine. Introducing our 3rd generation button maker, designed for effortless creation. It's perfect for making personalized gifts like pin badges, keychains, and more. This all-inclusive kit comes with everything you need to get started. You'll receive the badge maker, button parts, a circle cutter, pictures, and a fun magic book. Making your own buttons is incredibly easy. Simply cut your picture, assemble the parts on the machine, and press down to create your unique badge. Our upgraded swivel mount ensures precision and accuracy with every press. This advanced feature helps you achieve perfect positioning for professional-looking results. The included magic book adds an extra layer of fun. It transforms from blank pages to colorful cartoons, sparking imagination and encouraging artistic expression in children. Crafted from high-strength engineering plastics, this machine is built to last. Its integrated design makes it lightweight and easy to operate, perfect for hands-on activities. What we like? This button maker is designed for ultimate ease of use with no complex installation required. Its integrated body and mold simplify the entire process, making it perfect for beginners or those who want to start crafting immediately. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to create custom pins, especially for children's activities or quick personal projects, this is the ideal choice. What people say. This is one of the lower-priced units, plus it came with supplies to make 100 buttons. Works really well. It takes a little bit for little kids to get the hang of it, but is really fun and simple. Also, it contains a booklet that has different designs in case you don't have any right away. This button maker was easy to assemble. Quality has been good, but with it being plastic, I feel like it could break easily if you press too hard. Because it's made of plastic, it made this button maker more lightweight and easy to pick up and move. Number 4. BKPPM Slushie Machine. Tired of dealing with ice cubes? This machine revolutionizes frozen drinks by freezing liquids fast without ice. Simply pour in your favorite beverages and let it create delicious, icy treats effortlessly. Explore a world of possibilities with 6 preset programs. From ice cream and slushies to milkshakes and fraps, you can craft countless frozen delights to suit any taste. With a large 70-ounce capacity, it's perfect for any occasion. Make enough frozen drinks to share with family and friends, ensuring everyone enjoys a refreshing treat. Monitor the freezing process with the user-friendly LED display showing real-time temperature. Easily adjust settings for your desired drink thickness and even schedule it in advance. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to dishwasher-safe removable parts like the lid and drip tray. Keep it pristine with minimal effort, always ready for your next frozen creation. Enjoy rapid freezing within minutes, powered by a high-performance compressor. It operates quietly, allowing you to relax while it prepares your perfect slushie. What we like? Tired of the ice hassle? This machine revolutionizes frozen drink making by freezing liquids directly, no ice required. With 6 versatile preset programs and an easy auto-clean function, it's perfect for anyone who loves a variety of frozen treats without the fuss. If you enjoy experimenting with cocktails, smoothies, or ice cream and value convenience in a spotless machine, this is the one for you. What people say. This button maker machine is very easy to use, even for beginners. It comes with multiple sizes, allowing for a variety of button designs. The machine is durable and well-built, ensuring long-lasting performance. Number 3. Button Maker Machine 1 plus 1.25 plus 2.5-inch Pin Maker Kit. Introducing a versatile crafting tool that lets you create custom buttons and magnets effortlessly. It's perfect for personal projects, events, or promotional items, serving as your go-to for all button and badge creation needs. This button press machine makes creating your own buttons incredibly simple, ideal for crafters of all skill levels. Each kit comes with all the necessary supplies for quick and easy assembly, so you can start creating right away. This multi-use press isn't just for buttons, it also functions as a badge maker, photo magnet maker, and magnet press. It's compatible with any pin-making kit or button machine supplies, expanding your creative possibilities. This complete crafting set includes everything for your DIY projects. You'll find ample button sets, openers, magnets, circular papers, a circle cutter, and a vast library of downloadable designs. Designed for fun, this small button maker is perfect for both kids and adults. Spend quality time with family and friends creating unique DIY projects that are both fun and functional. What we like. This is a truly versatile crafting tool that allows you to create custom buttons, magnets, keychains, and bottle openers all in one. It comes with multiple size molds and a generous supply of 500 buttons, making it ideal for larger projects or small businesses. If you're a dedicated crafter looking for a comprehensive kit that offers a wide range of customization options and value, this set is an excellent investment. What people say. The button system is great. Very sturdy, easy to set up. The large buttons, keychains are a snap. This button maker exceeded my expectations. It's sturdy, well-built, and very easy to use, even for beginners. The instructions were clear, and after a few practice buttons, everything came together smoothly. The finished buttons look professional, with crisp images and secure backs. Been pressing more than 800 buttons with this so far and it still works perfectly. The plastic is well made. The handle and hole press looks and feels sturdy. The sliding mechanism is very precise. Number 2. SHARDOR Coffee Maker Hot and Iced. Experience your coffee just the way you like it. Choose between a standard or a bolder brew for both your hot and iced beverages. With its generous 52-ounce water reservoir, you can brew multiple cups without constant refills. Enjoy convenience with every brew. Customize your coffee experience with 5 different brewing capacities, ranging from 6 to 14 ounces. Get the perfect amount for your mug. Enjoy the flexibility to brew with K-pods, ground coffee, or even tea. It comes with holders for capsules and a reusable basket filter. Get your fresh brewed hot or iced coffee in about a minute. It's fast, convenient, and always delicious. The removable drip tray makes it easy to use taller cups, even travel mugs up to 6.8 inches. Perfect for on the go. This appliance is designed to save energy. It automatically shuts off 5 minutes after your last brew, giving you peace of mind. What we like. Enjoy your coffee exactly how you like it with this versatile brewer that handles both K-cups and ground coffee. The bold setting allows for a richer flavor, and the large 52-ounce reservoir means fewer refills. If you're a coffee lover who appreciates flexibility in brewing options, strength control, and convenience for multiple cups, this machine is a perfect fit for your kitchen. What people say. This coffee maker is so easy to use. I've used the 8 ounces, 10 ounces, 12 ounces, and no issues. I like how fast this makes a cup of coffee. Water starts to come out immediately. It makes 6 to 14 ounce increments, which is awesome. My last one went up to only 10 ounces. This is better. I like the 12 and 14 ounces in my 16 ounces mugs. It gives more coffee, which is more enjoyable. The heat level is also at a good temperature to me. The water reservoir is perfect at 52-ounce water capacity, so you don't have to keep filling it every single time. Number 1. 300 PCS Button Pin Maker Machine. Multiple sizes. Unleash your creativity with our versatile button pin maker. It's designed to help you craft personalized badges with ease. This machine supports 3 popular sizes: 1 inch, 1.25 inch, and 2.25 inch. You'll have everything you need to get started right away. You'll receive all the necessary materials to create up to 300 pin buttons. This includes the machine, interchangeable dies, and all the supplies for each size. Making a custom pin badge takes less than 15 seconds once it's set up. Its lightweight design and integrated mold make operations simple and efficient. Use it for unique photo storage, decorative ornaments, wedding name tags, or classroom crafts. It's a fantastic tool for any DIY enthusiast. The engineering plastic construction makes it durable yet lightweight. Its rotating die ensures accuracy and speeds up the badge making process. What we like. This button maker offers exceptional value with 3 interchangeable dies for 1, 1.25, and 2.25 inch buttons, along with supplies for 300 pins. Its efficient design allows you to create a badge in under 15 seconds, saving you time and energy. If you need to produce a moderate quantity of buttons in various popular sizes quickly and efficiently, This kit is an outstanding choice for DIY projects or small-scale production. What people say. The buttons I've made with this machine have lasted a long time and look great and seem really sturdy. The machine's overall build and performance are impressive, ensuring reliable and professional results. It has fewer moving parts, easy assembly, and allows fast switching between button-size molds. It is light and portable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.